Hey, this is Sunil Manji. I'm a search AI specialist at Elastic. I'm doing a quick demonstration on how just using your curiosity, you ask questions of your data using Elastic. So let's take an example of Honeywell. They're pumping out some amazing tech when it comes to green technology. And one of the examples is e-fining, where they can reduce emissions for jet fuel. Now, if you read about all this, you'll see the amazing research they've done, the tech they're pumping out. But when I go to, for example, ChatGPT and I ask the question, what is e-fining? You can see here that it didn't really understand my context. Now, this is not to go and pick on ChatGPT 4.0 models or anything like that. It's simply that it just didn't have the context to answer my question. But with Elastic, let's say you just want to ask that same question. So they have asked questions. Honeywell has published videos about a lot of the technology they're pumping out. So let's just ask that question. Let's see if we can find the answer to what is e-fining. And here we're going to search across their video data sets. And we did find the answer. And we actually found the video that answers the question. But now, and you can see here that the video is 13 minutes long, but I may not want to wait 13 or 14 minutes or go through the entire 13 or 14 minutes. I want to just fast forward to exactly where the answer is. That's exactly what it did here. Let's find out.
The second technology Honeywell introduced was ethanol to jet. So it's the same ethanol that's used for gasoline blending can also be used as a feedstock to produce SAF. And then Laura, as you pointed out, the most recent introduction is a technology called e-fining, which is a way to take captured carbon dioxide and green hydrogen, convert that to methanol, and then convert the methanol to SAF.
So there you go. We got the answer to what is e-fining. So that was one way of asking, or just using curiosity to ask questions and to sift through unstructured data to receive a response. That's one advanced way of using Elasticsearch. Another is, let's say that the data is in Elastic and let's say it's in an index. You just want to ask questions, right? You don't want to necessarily learn the DSL or write KQL. You just want to ask questions in natural language. So with Elastic, we have something called Playground. It's exactly what it sounds. It's an opportunity for a technical or non-technical person to ask questions of her data. So let's go to search, Playground, and let's add a data source here. We'll call it Honeywell, and I was able to web crawl their data with ease. Let's select this. And now I'm just going to say that I want to ask a question, and I'm going to have a large language model. You can see up top I'm using Azure OpenAI. You can use whatever model of your choice. And I want to send, let's say, the body content. Once we found the right context within Elasticsearch to answer the question, we want to send that particular portion of the context to a large language model to get a natural response. So let's ask a question. Again, this is with zero tuning. It's just pointing Playground to any data that's in Elastic and then just ask questions. I often say the only technical requirement to use this is curiosity. And if you have curiosity, then this is a tool for you. If you're not, then you're out of luck. So let's ask the question, what is e-fining? All right. And it did answer it. And we are again using the ChatGPT 4.0 model, but we made it better. We put why often we call this retrieval augmented generation. But again, with really little tuning or no tuning actually, I was able to ask the question. Elastic found the answer. You can see that here's the citation to where the answer was found. And then they used OpenAI to answer the question to give me an answer in natural response. So what did I show you? I showed you that just using an open model or a large language model sometimes isn't sufficient. Many times isn't sufficient because it doesn't have context. And you're not in the business of feeling lucky that you hope that you'll find the right answer. You need a vector database that will find the right answer so you can get the right answer from your large language model and make a business decision or whatever decision you want. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that.